So, what do you think? Which one is more profitable? Is it gambling or is it trading? I'm giving you 10 seconds time to think about this, and until then, let's start our intro. So, we are again back on the video, and the question is which one is more profitable? Is it gambling or is it trading? I know everyone watching this video, most of them will answer that trading is more profitable than gambling, and I'm also sure that some of you who realize it will say gambling is also profitable. But the real answer is it depends. And I have my own thoughts why I think sometimes gambling can be more profitable than trading, especially if you are a newbie. If you are just new to the trading and you are not playing it well, I can assure you that gambling is far more better than trading. And of course, I have my personal opinions why I'm saying that, and I'm not saying that I'm a professional trader. I also have around 2 or 3 years experience. I have passed 2 Propfirms. By the way, there is link in the description if you want to join one of them. And I have some source of good knowledge of trading, but I'm not saying that I'm a super profitable huge trader. But if you're just starting out, gambling is better than trading. And in this video I will go step by step and give you my opinion, what the reasons behind it, and why if you're not doing trading well, it's worse than the gambling. By this video I'm not promoting gambling, okay? I'm just trying to approach my opinion how you should do it, and if you don't do it the right way, gambling is far better than the trading. So now let's go to reason number 1 why gambling is better than trading. And the reason number 1 is new trader loves holding to the losing positions. I know when I started my trading journey, whenever I placed a trade and it was going in just 10 or 20 pips profit, I was like, yes, now I have to book this. And then I start to think what I will do with this money. I will buy myself a watch, game, because at that time the account was also small in size, okay? But whenever my trade was going in losing position, I was just holding it in hope that it will come back some days in my favor, right? So in trading, when we are doing trading, we are holding our losing positions for very long time. On the other hand, if you're doing sports betting, and just let's assume that there is a football match going on between the Brazil and the Argentina, okay? So you have to bet one of them, either what do you think, will Brazil win or Argentina win, okay? So whenever you place the trade or you place the bet on the bookmakers, you cannot reverse it. You have to hold that position until you lose or you win, right? So you cannot hold that bet for a long time, okay? So after 90 minutes it's done. You lose, you book your profit or you book your loss. So in gambling, when you are betting on something, you are just losing a certain amount on certain position. But in trading, when you are in losing position, you keep holding it in hope that it will come to your own favor, and most of the case it in your favor until you blow the account. So if you think this perspective, then you have to admit that gambling is better than trading, because in gambling you cannot hold a losing position for a very long time. It will end after the event ends, right? Now let's go to our reason number 2 why gambling is better than trading. And reason number 2 is not knowing your edge in the market. Whenever you search about gambling and statistics and all the motivational videos where they give their calculation why you will never make money with casino or gambling, okay? But at least at those games your edge are known. You know that if you play roulette, the casino has 5% edge over you, right? So, and it doesn't mean that everyone in the casino will lose money. If everyone is losing money in the casino, their business won't run for a long time. Yes, in the longer run, by the law of large number, when there are millions of bet in the casino, those 5% edge play a vital role for casino to make money. But you have to also admit that if you just playing casinos or the gambling, occasionally you're going sometimes with $100 and playing $10 on each bet, there's a higher chance that you will have almost 50% chance of making money. Yes, in roulette or games like that, I don't know much about gambling. I just sometimes play the roulette or sports betting. Also, for an example, if I have to say about roulette, there you have 45% chance of winning, and casino has 55% chance of winning. So if we average out, it's almost near to 50-50, and you have higher chance of making money there, because you already know your age in the casino. You know that you have a 45% win rate. But when we start to trading, we do not backtest our strategy, so we don't have any idea about what is the statistical age if you place trade with this particular trading strategy. So now you say, what is more dangerous, casino or gambling or the trading? If you don't know your age in the market, you didn't backtest your strategy, you just saw a video on YouTube that buy on this support and sell on this resistance. Why buy on the support and sell on the resistance? Then why don't you play a coin toss game in the casino? That's also the same. Like if we are saying that this price was reversed from this level, then why don't you bet on casino saying that there was two heads in a row, so it will be 100% sure that this will be a tail? No, there we don't do that. But so the main motto is, gambling is better than trading if you don't know your age in trading, and if you haven't tested your trading strategy and back tested your strategy. Because as I said, if you don't backtest your strategy, you don't know your age. But in gambling, if you play roulette, you already know that in the long run you will win 45% of the time, and casino will win 55% of the time, and the risk to reward ratio is 1:1 in casino. Okay, so this was my reason number 2. Not knowing your age in the market makes gambling better than trading. Now let's move on to our third reason why gambling is better than trading. And the reason number 3 is too complex trading strategy. This is one of the most vital reasons what makes gambling more profitable than the trading, if you are in the initial stage. I have seen many traders in the group who makes the trading strategy very, very, very complex. Let me give you an example. This is how their chart looks like. Dozens of indicator, some of them are showing buy, some of them are showing sell, and some of them are showing neutral. And if you see their chart, the main thing of the chart is the price, and the price is not visible on this chart. They make their trading strategy very complex. Think about it. For an example, you are betting or Argentina versus Saudi Arabia. So by statistical age and by backstory, you know that Argentina has a higher chance of winning. Okay, so you just saw their normal stats that yeah, Argentina is going on a consecutive win, so there is a higher chance that they will also win the next match. Now Think about this. You are saying that you are again betting on Argentina, but this time you are saying that yeah, Argentina has won last several match and their coach didn't do any washroom last night. Messi didn't do any washroom last night. Then this player ate this food, this player ate that food. You have all that data, and those are confusing you that will Argentina win or lose. It doesn't, you don't have to make this so complex. In trading, we also make things so complex. Think about it. Do you have to think so much when you are trading on roulette? No, you just say green or black and it's just spinning around and you bet on it. That's as simple as that. It's always almost, as I said, 45-55 chance, but in average it's almost 50-50 chance for both of them to win. Okay, so reason number 3 is if you're making your trading strategy too complex, it will give you stress. It will make you watch on the charts all the time and ultimately take you to a losing streak. So better, if you don't want stress, just load up your gambling account with $100 and play on that. That will be far more better for you. So now let's move on our reason number 4 why gambling is better than trading. So reason number 4, not knowing the previous history. As I said, knowing your age in the market is very important, and knowing fundamentals of a certain stock or a currency pair or any precious metals, you have to know the previous story, the fundamentals, what happened in the back, so you can make a future prediction, and there is a higher chance that those trades will go in your favor. For an example, suppose there is a football match going on between Argentina and Brazil. Okay, so by the statistical data, you know that both of the team are very strong and they have a 50-50 chance of winning. Okay, so Brazil also on 3 consecutive trades, and Brazil on last 3 matches. Argentina has also on last 3 matches. So by statistical data, they both of them has the same chance of winning. So it's 50-50. On the other hand, if Brazil is playing against, for an example, India, so India is not that strong football team compared to Brazil. So now you know that Brazil has a higher winning chance, right? So if you bet on Brazil, you know the statistical data, and it will help you to hold your bet, and if you it will give you confidence to hold the bet and until the match ends. On the other hand, if you don't know the previous story, for an example, you are placing a trade on Euro USD but you don't know the backstory, what happened earlier, what are the fundamentals are going, what is happening around your what is happening, why your USD is crashing, and you just randomly place a buy trade on a support, although Euro USD in a very strong downtrend. Now you say which one is better. On the second scenario, you are placing a buy order on Euro USD knowing nothing about it, just randomly placing a trade. Now most of them you will say that it has crashed so much, now it has higher chance of winning. Then I will say, can you bet on India if a match going on between India and Brazil? If I say you that India has lost last 5 matches, so it is higher chance that the India will win in this football match. No, at that point you don't do that. So it's important to know your previous story, because the story helps you to hold the trade to make money. If you don't know the story of a certain trade, then you will be in confusion. Either I should hold the trade, when should I sell, where should my stop loss, there will be a hell lot of questions in your mind. But if you know the story, if you know the fundamentals, and if you have analyzed it well, then it will give you confidence to hold the trade for a longer time, and it will ultimately give you a profit. So now let's summarize and give my last words on this. In this video, I'm not promoting gambling. I'm also against gambling. I'm just explaining how trading can be more dangerous than gambling if you are not doing in the right way. Because if you see the last four reasons, I have explained that in trading you can hold your losing position for a very long time, which will ultimately take you to blow your account. But in gambling it won't happen. In gambling you already know the statistical data, that how much percentage you have chance of winning and how much percentage the house has chance of winning. But in trading, if you don't backtest your strategy, you don't know your edge, so you will be always confused. You will never see yourself in profit. You will see yourself in loss, break even, or sometimes a bit profit sometimes, and then again lose that money. So it is important to do backtesting and know your edge. And before starting the video, I have used a word newbie, means if you are new to trading and you are not doing it the right way, then gambling is better than trading. But yes, it's also true that even if you build a super profitable casino strategy, you will lose money in the long run because of law of larger number. So I'm not promoting casino or any type of gambling. If you're doing it in like hobby or sometimes for enjoyment, that's fine. And if you're doing trading also as your hobby, then I will say stop it now. Fund your like online betting account and play there, because there you have higher chance of winning. If you're doing it like hobby, not managing your risks well, you will lose money in trading faster than if you play casino or gambling. But if you follow risk management in trading, you can build your edge and make money in long run. In gambling, you cannot make your own edge. It's already proven that in the long run, if you play 1,000 bets on casino, you will ultimately lose money, because you already know that they have a 5% edge on you. But in trading, you can become the house, you can become the casino. You are the casino of the market if you can build a trading strategy and you know your edge. If you have a data of 300 trades, 500 trades, or 1,000 trades, and you know your edge will play, right? You will make money in the long run. Precisely, you will lose very little time in trading if you are doing it the right way. And if you are doing trading the right way, you will get the money of 90% traders, because in trading only 10% of the traders make money in the long run. And for your kind information, it is much higher than gambling. 90% people in the gambling, in my opinion, doesn't lose money if they're not playing like daily, every night, every day. They're playing hell lot of betting on casino. If you're doing occasionally betting on casino or playing sometimes, I am 100% near to 100% sure that most of the time you will make money if you don't play all the time. Okay, but in trading 90% traders fail. Only 10% take away the money of the 90% trader. So the summary of the video is, if you are not doing trading the right way, then move on to gambling. There you have higher chance of winning. But if you can improve whatever I have said in this video, then I can assure you that if you can build your own edge in trading, then trading is far more better than gambling, right? So it depends on you how you're approaching both of them. Are you doing them for enjoyment, or you are serious to build your career? By the way, if you are so profitable, make sure you check out the link in the description. I have affiliate with several Propfirms, and if you want to join them, you can join from my description. There I'll put also affiliate link with discount code. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you have enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe the channel and let me know your opinion in the comment section. It will be very interesting to see what you think about the video, and if you want second part of the video. Till then, stay happy, stay cool, and enjoy with family.